What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. We have our December kit of the month from Salvinos JR Models. So let's go ahead and crack it open. I already will obviously know what it is, but this is actually pretty cool one. We actually have a next gen for our kit month. It's been quite some time. We got a next gen car for the kit of the month. So that's pretty cool, and there it is. We got the Decal version. This is the 40th anniversary of the Hendrick Motorsports. So this is the Decal version. I have no doubts JR Models is going to be doing the Chase Elliott, William Byron, and Alex Bowman version of the car. But we got the Decal version one for the first one, and it's pretty cool. And we got our stack of goodies, and then hey, we got another one of these stickers. Yeah, same sticker from last month, but pretty cool. It's a very cool sticker. We got the Mika, his dog, on there and stuff. So same sticker from last month, so that's not too special, but that's pretty cool. And then we got, of course, our free stack of goodies. Let's go ahead and show you that first before we dive into the kit. Are these the same decals from? I think these are literally the same decals from last month. That's actually pretty funny. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. We got some extra decals. So this is for the Charger kit. I totally forgot the name of the driver, but we'll put the driver car on your screen. Again, this one is the Bobby Allison, and just in case you don't know, Bobby Allison just recently passed away not too long ago, probably, I don't want to say 2 months ago. So it's very sad, but this is pretty cool. This is a Bobby Allison decal sheet, so that's pretty neat. And then of course we got the number 11 Pepsi car. Yeah, this is literally the same decal sheets that I got last month. That's kind of funny. So if I mess up a sheet, I got an extra one, but pretty cool. So that's not really new, but that's pretty cool. But what is new, of course, is the kit. Now, the 40th anniversary basically race for the Hendrick Motorsports. All of the Hendrick cars, which was the four cars: Kyle Larson, Chase Elliott, William Byron, and I really just said his name, but all four of their cars were in this like cherry red, like apple candy red, colors, because it's basically their signature color, the Hendrick Motorsports. So that's pretty cool. So this is the Decal version. Fun fact. Actually, I think it was William Byron that actually won that race. Kyle Larson actually got second place.
What the hell is even that?
which is kind of funny. So, but like I said, I have no doubts JR Models is going to be doing the other three cars for the the 40th anniversary. But Kyle Larson is the first one because it's literally the same paint scheme. Really cool is it literally is the same paint scheme. It's just instead of blue, it's red. But it's pretty cool, very funny. But let's go ahead and open it up. I'm expecting it to be a cherry red body in here, but we'll see. And yeah, it's like a cherry, literally almost like a cherry red. That's pretty cool. So of course, we got our hood, we got our dashboard. This is the gauge cluster instrument panel right there for all the buttons and switches and stuff. So we got that. There's our next gen tires, nothing too special there. And then of course we got the body, very slick Camaro body. This is the same body literally from, what the heck, that's some like mold residue right there. It's pretty funny. This is really the same body from 2022 for Camaro. Fun fact about the Camaro or Chevy, they are actually still using the Camaro body style, even though the Camaro has been discontinued. Because I guess Chevrolet just didn't feel like making or designing a new body for the NASCAR. So they're literally still using the Camaro body, but they can't use Camaro on it because, like I said, the Camaro has been discontinued. I believe in February 28th, I believe, is when the Chevy stopped making the Camaro. So they did it for this year, 2024, because they're still making it this year. But for 2025, they can't use it well, I mean, they can, but they can't call Camaro. So on the back where it says, where it used to say Camaro, it's going to say Chevrolet, which I think is kind of lame, because ever since NASCAR was a thing, they always use a car like model name, like Chevy SS, Ford Mustang, Ford Fusion, you know, Buick something, whatever. But this is going to be the first NASCAR that's just be called Chevrolet, you know, not like a particular car model, which is, I think Chevy should have done better. I think Chevy should have did it at something different. They could at least added like a Cadillac or something, because Cadillac is still GM, but I don't know. But here's our other goodies of the next gen cars. It's nothing too special. We all seen that. And then of course the career parts. Again, this is all the same for the Chevy, Ford, and Toyota. And the decals is what matters. Let's go ahead and pull the decals out and see what we got. Of course, we have our next gen NASCAR instruction sheet. Pretty cool. And our decals are inside of here. We'll take a look at those here in a little bit. And of course, we do have our instruction layout for our decals. So they're right there where it says Camaro. It's not going to say Camaro anymore. It's going to say Chevrolet, which, like I said, it's, I don't know. I wish Chevy should have done something different. You know, you're not making that. If you're not making a Camaro anymore, at least do a body style that you are still making. I think they should have done better. I don't know. And then of course you got your final assembly for the windows and stuff and put onto your chassis. So pretty cool. And of course this is your typical instruction sheet. This is for all of the next gen cars. And then the decals. Let's say we have 3 things for this. I think. Yeah, 3 things. So we got the white, just in case you don't want to paint the white. There it is for your side panel and your roof and hood, I believe, where the heck it is white on the car, so you don't have to paint that. Then of course you get your typical black sheet, they call it, for all the black parts, side panels. These are actually carbon fiber. If this is, you know, still exposed carbon, if not, it's probably still body color, but not that big deal. But of course we got grills and stuff, and that's pretty cool. So got that, and of course our main Hendrick Motorsports decal sheet. Hendrick Motorsports is literally the same one as the blue one, just a little bit different. Obviously you get the red for the quarter panel or for the quarter window and stuff, but other than that, it's pretty much similar to the blue one. I believe the 5 has a little bit of the red in there too, so that's pretty cool. And then we also have carbon fiber for the hood vents, which is pretty cool. So clay clamp is just starting to put those in there. That's pretty neat. Then he also adds the window strips, which is so cool. Such an add-on, nice add-on detail Clay's doing. So Clay, he does an amazing job designing these decals, and the colors are just accurate, so beautiful. It's a beautiful decal sheet, and this is definitely one I have to build. I mean, this is a pretty cool one. Kyle Larson, he's a very cool driver. He's very talented, and he's very young, but he's one of the drivers that's just like so like out there. I mean, he doesn't complain. He doesn't, like, you know, there's some drivers out there that will always, you know, bitch and stuff, but Kyle Larson's not one of those drivers. He's just such a calm person. He's probably one of my favorite Hendrick Motorsport drivers. Him and Chase Elliott. Those two are my favorite drivers from Hendrick. The other two, I mean, they're okay, but definitely Chase Elliott and Kyle Larson are my favorite from Hendrick Motorsports. I think those two are just such outgoing people, and they're really cool, and it's really neat. But other than that, guys, that's what we got, and that is the kit of the month for December. Very, very cool. So, and we have our first next gen. Of course, we do have another William Byron car coming out, the Valvoline. I believe that one's coming in January. That's pretty cool. But like I said, I had no doubts JR Models will be doing the other 3 cars for the 40th anniversary. But very cool. And that Kyle Larson, I think the Kyle Larson one looks the coolest. I think Chase Elliott one looks pretty cool too. There are 2, I mean, I'm not really a big fan of, but Chase Elliott one or the Kyle Larson one, I do really like. You know, it's very simple. They just replaced wherever it's blue into this nice candy or cherry red. It's really cool. So, but other than that, guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Get this kit if you're interested. I mean, it's a really nice kit. All the next gen cars are. I mean, they're very fit away, but you know, you just gotta take your time, go easy and go slow. You'll definitely get them, and they are really amazing models. And it's just a highly anticipated model. But alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and until next video, we'll catch you guys next time.